Roman! It's not polite.
Oh, I'm finished. Ooh.
Roman! Roman! Babe, you haven't taken that thing away from him yet?
Oh, it's like entertaining for him.
It's a scrap of a toy. Let me see what that is, Roman. Let me see what it is. Seriously? It's not even a toy anymore. Not even a toy. What the hell? You want that? It's gross.
Oh, badass.